Hello Jira users. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to effortlessly switch between chart and table views using the Performance Objectives app for Jira. Just navigate to the upper left corner of your chart and choose Table View from the 3 available options. It's that simple. Our app's pivot tables present your Jira data in a user-friendly manner, providing an easily understandable overview. Moreover, they enable you to analyze precise values and numbers with accuracy. Our pivot tables include features like grouping, sorting, filtering, and downloading data. Finally, if you prefer viewing your report in a table format rather than a chart every time you open your Jira dashboard, navigate to More Settings and select Table as the default view option. Enjoy your table reports in Jira.